Hi everyone, I want to show you this DC motor which a friend of mine gave me some time ago. I wanted to put this on my channel for a long time and I don't know why I didn't get around to it, but it's a lovely little DC motor. I think it's a toy, some kind of toy that was made for something, maybe for some kind of machinery or something like that. Obviously it's stationary because it just sits down like that. So it must be working something in the old days. I do not know where it came from. I do not know what it was used for, but it certainly is lovely. So what do I like about this? Well, what I like about this is the windings. If you look at the windings very closely, I don't know if you can see it, you'll see that these windings are, as far as I can make out, double cotton covered wires. This is a very old winding, which is what they used to use in the proper electric motors, double cotton covered. Nowadays we have enamel, and so it's not like this, but you had to wind it very carefully in case anything splits in there. And there's your armature, beautifully wound indeed. So let's have a look now. Let's have a look at how it works. I'm just going to connect it. This is your positive and negative here. There you go. I'm just going to lift it up so it can be seen properly. Obviously the bearings are a bit worn out there, but the brushes are here. These are your brushes. Now, what I don't understand at this moment in time is the connections. Why we have these two like this. What's the reason for it? Because obviously something must be going on today. So we're going to check that out in a minute, but let's have a look at how it's connected. It's connected in series. So this is your armature, and the two brushes are here, and you got your two coils, and these two places where I put the positive and negative of the wire, they go through the first one, go through the second one, through the armature, and comes out there. That's how it is. So guys, if I put positive and negative this way, it turns one direction. If I put it that way, it turns the same direction. So when you look at it from this angle, look at it from this angle, you're looking at turning clockwise. These two, you can see a voltage on there, and it's about 1.2 anyway. I've already measured it. Let me show it here. Showing 1.1 there to 1.2. Now, the only thing I can think of, not too sure what they use this for, but the only thing we can see here is a volt drop, because obviously the voltage is going to series, and the voltage across the armature here, it is a volt drop that you can capture there. So if anybody knows or ever owned one of these and could enlighten me on what it was used for, I'd really appreciate it. It's very beautiful. I love it. And the bearings are not like bearings. They're like just a little hole. If you can see, just a hole there. And that's what it is. Not real bearings on there. And the commutator only has 3 segments in there. Obviously got 3 segments, so obviously they're connected in series. And that's how it works. If I wanted to convert it into a generator, I have to take these off, put a permanent magnet there, spin this, and take the voltage from these two, which I don't think I want to do. This beautiful thing, I don't want to destroy it or anything like that. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Hi everybody, well, we come to the end of the year and hopefully... Wait a minute. What are you doing?
It's me owl.
Oh, what does it do?
It scares pigeons. Oh yeah. Do you think his video's really good? No. Do you think you ought to be on YouTube? Oh no. Do you think they ought to subscribe? Oh yes.
There you go, you heard it from the owl. Oh, yes. Do subscribe and Happy New Year to you everybody, 2018, from us and the owl too. Yeah? Oh.